Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how business development and estimation team will do the configuration of tender. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email. Like here I am entering the email of an employee. After that enter the password. Now click on login button. After login navigate to tender. Here in configuration you will able to see the multiple menus are there. In order to enter new checklist in a system, click on pre-bid checklist. Now click on create button. For example, here I am entering the checklist as validity. Now click on save button. This checklist will be appear in your tender form. All the new checklists that you will going to enter in your configuration will be visible in tender form. In pre-bid checklists. Now you can enter the bid submission checklist. On clicking on create button, you will able to create new bid submission checklist in system. Like for example, I am adding a checklist as forums. Now click on save button. Similarly, you can add the post bid checklist in the system. There are already 3 created in the system. Likewise, in order to create a new one, click on create button. Now in order to create document type in the system, click on document types. Here you will able to create the document type in the system. Click on create button. For example, here I am creating the document type as manuals. Here you will decide this this document type will be going to be available in tender or in project. Here I am selecting it in tender. Now click on save button. This document type will be visible to you in document types, that is here. Here you will able to see all the document type that you will create here. Now in tender types you will create the tender type. Here I have already created 3. In order to create new one, click on tender type. Here I am again creating a global one. Like I have created one industry. Now click on save button. Here when you will go to the tender form, the tender type that you have created you will able to see here. Like I have recently created interstate one. Now in order to create tender category, click on tender category. Click on create button. Suppose first I am creating the tender category as oil and gas. You can also enter the parent category. Like suppose I am here entering the parent category as pipeline maintenance. Click on save button. This tender category will be visible in your tender form here. Here you will be able to see the multiple tender category. The category which I have created just now, you will able to see in these only. This is how you will done the configuration of tender.
Have at a pageant. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.